Hi everyone, I'm Angela. Welcome and welcome back to Angela's Fashion Mix. I hope you've all had a fantastic day and I thank you for being here. If you are new, welcome to the channel. Today's video is a little bit unusual in that it is just about cooking. No fashion today. I will be bringing more fall fashion as we go throughout the week. And you've seen me do some cooking here and there, some partial meals, kind of things we eat. But this video is solely about Sunday dinner, and I am cooking a pot roast. I didn't prepare it the way I most of the time do, which is full of potatoes and carrots and all of that. This one's a bit more simple in that I did not have carrots. It's okay. And with regard to the potatoes, I only did a small portion because we were also having rice. So I did not do as many potatoes as I typically would. Also, with regard to the kale, I'll mention what was used in the video, but try not to have that left over. So I only did enough for one meal. That's why I did not use the entire bag. So typically I will cook my pot roast in the crock pot and just load it up with all the onions and potatoes and carrots and all of that. But in the interest of time, I also sometimes cook it in the oven. Most of the time with my greens, I use ham hock. Sometimes I'll use bacon. I will use bacon in my broccoli just to give that a little bit of flavor because I do not like broccoli, but I will eat it if there's a little flavor to it. So we are having pot roast, kale, and rice with a few potatoes. I hope you enjoy the video. Usually for the size roast that you see, one complete packet of the 2 dry ingredients will pretty much cover both sides. I do season both sides of my roast. And I also season my onions and potatoes. If the onions are with the potatoes and the carrots, all of it gets seasoned. So those 2 packets together pretty much will take care of that. With regard to the gravy, that is whatever the portion is on the packet is what I would recommend if you're starting with it. Sometimes, depending on the size of the roast, I will use 2 packets and just double the water or whatever that calls for. I tried to caption the in the moment of what I was doing. I might have missed a few things, but I think easy enough for you to follow what the process is. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like, and share. I always appreciate that. And we will be seeing you throughout the week with some fall looks. We will see you in the next video.